Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this Anna from Frozen's inspired look in DTI. So if you're ready to melt hearts with some Royal Ice Princess energy, today we are recreating Anna's iconic Frozen style in DTI. And if you want to know how you can recreate this look, let me show you the steps. So first you can start with the hair. For the hair, here I'm going to put on this bangs and use this color for the hair. You can copy my hex code if you want to, and then you can add this updo hair, this one in here. It's the same color. And once you're done with the hair, you can start with the outfit. So first I'm going to put on the skirt from the currency items, this witch skirt in here. Then I'm going to color it using this green patterns. The second, or the lace, I'm going to use this green color, and in here I'm going to wear this bow on the hair and color it green like the lace in the skirt. And now let's add the top. So for the top, I'm going to wear this top from the women's sections, this one in here. Then I'm going to color it black. Second one, this green color. Okay, and for the bow, I'm going to make it like this. And for the shoe, I'm going to wear these heels and change the color into all black. And then last items, I'm going to wear the sleeves and toggle it into short sleeves and use the same color like the one at the top, this green color. And in here you can make all the items material into silk, so you'll get that elegance look on the dress, just like this. And last one, let's put on the accessories. So here I'm going to put on necklace and also earring. For the necklace, I'm going to wear this one, and the earrings, this earrings, and change the color into green. And this is the final look for Anna. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.